So, Rhode Island DMV finally gave me the go-ahead for my LEF, little one-person enclosed tricycle. So we're going to take it out for a spin. So just a quick recap. This is a small one-person tricycle. It's pure EV, there's no pedaling, at least OEM. The travel speed is around bicycle average, like about 15 miles an hour. You have an enclosed canopy to keep you out of the weather. You got headlights, right and left directionals in the front, and directionals in the back, side mirrors on both sides. There's a horn, forward, reverse, speed, little meter there that gives you your speed, your distance, your battery state of charge, things like that. There's a little fan here that helps with defogging the inside of the windscreen. Right now it has a parking brake on, but otherwise it does have a mechanical brake backup. Just pop it up. There's a discrete little charge plug there for 110, level 1. And the neat thing about being so small, lightweight, and aerodynamic and low speed is that you're like 1,200-ish miles per gallon equivalent, about 35 miles per kilowatt hour, give or take. I'm going to do some real-life testing and see how that goes. There's also a windshield wiper accessory that I haven't put on yet. So, you have your key. This is the start. You can select batteries 1 or 2, forward and reverse, fan on and off. That fan is this front fan. You have your directionals, which the display will tell you. So that's your left, and that's your right signal. Your horn is here. And this is actually regenerative braking. This is your throttle. There's a little phone holder here, USB charge down there. Mechanical brakes, and when you squeeze it in, you push this, and that holds as a parking brake until you release it. And that's your mechanical brakes, but you have regenerative braking there. That's pretty much straightforward controls. Let me show you the canopy down. You can see behind you, both side view mirrors.
So my first little trip was about 3 miles down to a local beach. And the Rhode Island DMV said that they're going to treat it as if it were a bicycle or a tricycle kind of thing for the most part. And I got a bicycle insurance just to be careful for liability, medical, and stuff like that.